Continuing in the materials selection, let's look at the sailcloth. So this is a Mylarkevlar sail that I've already took some chunks out of. You can see here is where a batten will go in. This is a batten sleeve, and this is how you insert the batten. There's Velcro here. Batten goes in here, which is a semi-stiff piece of fiberglass that helps keep the shape of the sail in its ideal form. All different sails have different systems for dissipating the load. This one in particular, I believe, was made by Quantum sails, and they have a round patch here with some Kevlar tape going out. So yeah, this is a really nice Mylarkevlar option. Still have a good chunk of this sail left, and it's got some graphical action on it, like some black numbers and this little insignia for the boat type. So that's one of the Mylarkevlar sail options that I have at the moment. The other, also a Mylarkevlar sail, is this one from North Sails, whom I used to work for back in the day. And this it's not as shiny, so it's more matte. And you can see the original stitching patterns from the triple stitch machines they used to put these panels together. So on one side it's matte, and I use this as the exterior on any bags that are made out of this sail. And on the back side you can see it's a little shiny with a Mylar layer on it there. So this one's a little bit loud, I guess. It's a little crinkly sounding because of this Mylar layer on the back, but once I sew a liner to the inside of it, it really is not that loud, and it's got some nice character, and it's already been crinkled from its life at sea, but you can see that it holds up really well with this woven layer on the outside. And this is the America's Cup sail from 2014, Team USA Oracle in San Francisco. Crazy durable, super lightweight, really cool texture, I think. I'd have to ask some smarter people than myself as to what it's made out of, but I believe it's a combination of Cuban fiber, aka Dyneema, aka Spectra. Those are just different brand names. And carbon, and I believe there's some Kevlar in here as well. So really high abrasion resistance. It's really hard to tear this stuff. It's got a really cool texture to it, and just a lot of character. So all I have left of this sail is black. There might be some red, but there's definitely no sections of both, so it's kind of either an all black bag or maybe an all red bag, but the majority of what I have left is definitely this beautiful black color. And here is what a Dacron sail looks like. This one has the panels stitched together with a triple stitch machine and white thread. So it kind of varies depending on which sail, what color of thread that connects these panels together is. This is a pretty new sail. I think there was just a big tear along the foot of the sail, so the owner gave it to me to make bags out of. And yeah, so this one's in pretty good shape. Eventually it will get a little more crinkled looking and a little quieter too. It's a little loud right now. But yeah, this is your standard Dacron sail, which is a modern day, basically, version of the canvas that they used to use.